Okay, so what is IELTS? IELTS भनेको के हो त? IELTS, these five letters, combination of these five letters. So I stands for international, E for English, L for language, T for testing, S for system. International English Language Testing System. So this is an English proficiency test. एउटा इङ्ग्लिसको प्रोफिसियन्सी टेस्ट IELTS भनेको, राइट? सो अब IELTS चाहिँ why do people do IELTS भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ there are multiple reasons of studying or doing IELTS exam or taking IELTS exam. One is studying abroad, like if the candidate wants to study abroad, especially in English speaking countries, for example Australia, UK, USA, New Zealand, and some others, Canada भयो है, यस्तो कन्ट्रीजहरु इंग्लिश स्पीकिङ कन्ट्रीज जानको लागि स्टडी पर्पजको लागि IELTS गर्नु पर्यो. one is the reason that. And next reason is immigration. अब इमिग्रेसनको लागि यहाँबाट if anyone wants to apply for PR को लागि, apply permanent residence को लागि apply गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने they also need to do IELTS. And the next one is for the employment, job opportunities को लागि पनि IELTS is necessary, right? Yes, so IELTS भनेको चाहिँ like it is globally accepted, भनिन्छ like more than 140 countries मा चाहिँ IELTS accept हुन्छ, and especially धेरै गभर्नमेन्ट्सहरुले युनिभर्सिटिजहरुले चाहिँ IELTS लाई रिकग्नाइज गर्छ, and it is accepted in most of the countries. So IELTS को exam normally कसले conduct गर्छ? There are two organizations mainly. One is British Council and next one is IDP, right? So mainly यो दुईटा organizationsले conduct IELTS. So it means overall IELTS भनेको यहाँहरुले के बुझ्नुभयो भन्दाखेरि it's a proficiency test whether you go for study purpose or for working PR, whatever, you need to do this IELTS, especially for those countries where English is the first language.